Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off unsubscribe from all emails on your Reddit app. We will go to turn off this mark or know how we can do that on your Reddit app. We will just go up here and up. We will click on this picture, then this window show for us. Then we click here on settings. Then we come to a settings window here and we just click here on account settings for you. Then we come to account settings here, then we just go down, we click here on manage emails, then we come to emails here, we go down, then we come here to unsubscribe from all emails. We will go to click here on this mark here, or this is color, and like you see this is color, it's gone. That's means unsubscribe from all emails, and this window show for us. So that's all now. I wish you I get it. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.